In few seconds, I will show you how to achieve this using linking objects together, which is the parenting in Alight Motion. Now we will start by clicking on the plus button, which means to create a new project. We'll name the project parenting because that is what we want to learn today. So now you type in the parenting, you click OK, create a new project. Now I want to create a project. You select this plus sign here to add an object or element. You select the rectangle and click the three plus sign at the upper right of your screen and select stretch to composition. Now select a white background, that's a white color, to give it a white background. So this will act as a background. Now when we talk of parenting, I will explain parenting furthermore. You will create 4 different objects because parenting is used to link 2 or more different objects together so as to apply a single animation on that particular object. So parenting is just like the word parenting. Parenting means controlling a person. That is its parenting. So we need is a object that will control every other object, whereby it is that single application. We can apply all the transform, all the animation, all the effect on that single object, and it's going to affect the main object. So I will explain that further. Now let's first create those little children objects, or let me call them the daughters objects first. Now we'll start by using the circle shape. We'll create the first circle. This will be our object number 1. We'll give it a blue color. Come to your transform and move. You select the scale, reduce the size a little bit, and come to the position to position it up here. Alright, good. Now you duplicate this, which means to copy also. You duplicate it, you come and bring this one down, position it down here. Alright, position it down. Want it to be aligned, position it down here, and let me select a different color to make it more dynamic. Select another different color. Let me select orange here. Alright, now good. You come to this side also and duplicate this. Great. You bring this to the side here. Alright, to this side. Great. You give it another color. Just give it another color and duplicate. So that is another object on its own. You create this and bring it to the left. Alright, now I want it to be balanced, to be well aligned. When aligned, to align this, there's a way you can do it to align it to make it more straight. Make it straight. I can show you how to do that by using this circle, and you scale it up. You can see the circle is in the center. You come to the scale and do it this way. You remove remove the fill color. Come to fill color. You remove the fill by clicking on this. You can see the fill is out already. You come to border, activate the border. You can see the border now is now visible. Great. Now for this, now you just want to use it to position each circle on it. Let us make the border more visible. Alright, now good. We are making it thick. Come to this. This is this circle. Let me give it another color. This one should be red. Alright, good. Now come to this red one, which is the let me call it first, or let me call it the fourth. Alright, now you place this here at this side. Great. You can see the dots connecting with what? Connecting with the outline of that circle in particular. And now you do the same to this. You do the same to this. Great. And the same to the blue and the yellow. Alright, now good. Great. And the same. You may put more objects, but I'm starting with 4 objects to make it simple and not to make it that complex. Great. Now you can see this is well aligned. I may intend to leave this circle, or I may intend to take it away because I don't really need this circle. Right, I don't really need this outline. It's just for me to make sure everything is well aligned. Great. Now at this point we want to do something great. Now these are the objects. We have the first one, which is the circle 1, object 1, circle copy, which is the object 2, circle copy 2, object 3, circle copy 1, which is object 4. You can rename it to make it visible. You can rename it as object 1, but because of time I will not do that. Alright, so this object 4, object, or you can just abbreviate it. Let me abbreviate it. Object 3, object 2, and object 1. Alright, good. So just for you to be able to know them. Object 1, great. So you can see this is object 1. I gave it OB, which stands as object. Now we create the parental object now. So we create this parental object using what? Using the object / element. So we're creating none. This is NULL. You click on it now. Great. Now it's time to link it. Now how can you link it? Like this one, this was just an element on its own. We want to link these 4 objects. We want to link this 4 to what? To this. We want to link this 4 to this. Now we want to do that now. Let's do that. We start with object 1. You come to the upper part of your screen here. You select this, as you can see, as I mark it up there, upper there. You select it to link it to what? To your number 1. You can see it there. Link it to it. You want to click it, you can see the line is visible. You can see this line here showing that you have successfully linked it with what? With the object 1. Now we select object 2 also. We now link it also together. We do the same to the middle one, to the object 3 and object 4. Great. Now we have successfully linked the what? Link each of the objects or elements to this. You may create more than 4 objects and try it out. Alright, now let us do this now. We want to see if it's real. You can see now you can now control everything with what? With this. You can control all these with what? With this. Now let's add animation. Starting with the plus sign. We're using the rotation and move it to this side. Add animation. Alright, so let us add our easing in, or let us add the easing in and easing out to make it smooth. So you can see, great, easing it and easing out to make it smooth. I'll add another one again. I'll add scale. Let me add the scale. Alright, so from this side I'll put my keyframe here and the keyframe here. So this keyframe will be that it should come out, while this other keyframe will be that it should go down. You can see it. I bring it down. Right now you use the word easing in here, and let us what happen. Oh, you can see. Wow. As you can see, we have successfully linked each of these objects together. Alright, so I believe you have learned something. So you can like, subscribe to our channel, and also follow us for more animation design tips on the Animation Nation. So thank you for watching. See you, and be expecting the next video. Bye.